I think every entrepreneur has a very deep sense of purpose, and ultimately it is that drive and determination that helps you to overcome challenges. I remember when I was a young woman trying to start my business, I had huge credibility challenges. Even in those days, they were very patronizing to women entrepreneurs. I had no business backers. I had no money. And I was trying to start a very, very new business called biotechnology, which nobody understood.
India back in the 70s was still what they called a developing nation. There was no infrastructure for setting up companies like we do have today. There's no capital, there's no access to legal help.
Everything that it takes to build a world-class company. She started with none of that.
Overcoming those challenges gave me a huge confidence boost. And that's what actually gave me the courage to build the business very, very rapidly.
Kiran is receiving this award that shows her footprint and impact across the world in developing an industry in India that was unheard of when she started it, and now is one of the dominant biotech companies in the world.
Biopharmaceuticals are today the most important way forward to address a large number of unmet needs. There is a huge divide between the affluent and the poor in terms of quality of healthcare. I would like Biocon to be seen as one of the biggest and strongest players in providing these affordable medications to patients all over the world.
Anything she puts her mind to, she will make happen.
Kiran could be digging a ditch, and she could convince all the people around her how this ditch is going to be so perfect, how they are going to change the world.
One of the things about Kiran is that she has tremendous energy. She doesn't accept, shortcuts. She doesn't accept mediocrity.
If she had as many arms as an Indian goddess, each one would have a cell phone, and she'd be on the phone talking to 7 different people at the same time.
Many young women scientists look at Kiran and use her as a role model.
In USC engineering, we have a number of Indian women engineering students, and I think they look at people like Kiran to try to emulate her and her success.
I'm very, very proud for what I've done, and I hope that this is something that I can be remembered by for what I'm trying to do for India.